Hello and welcome to English with Ruddy. In my previous lesson, I explained about how to use can, could and may to ask for permission, to give permission and to not give permission. In this lesson, we will look at modal verbs can and could to talk about abilities. Before I begin this lesson, I would like to thank my viewers for their comments and their suggestions. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. To book online classes with me, please visit englishwithruddy.com or call 8974307908. The modal verbs can and could are used to talk about abilities or skills. So first, let me explain to you about how to use can. Can is used to talk about present abilities. For example, I can speak 4 languages, which means that I am able to speak 4 languages. She can play the violin, which means that she knows how to play the violin. Now let's see how to use can in negative sentences. I can't come to the party, which means I am unable to come to the party. He can't drive, which means he does not know how to drive a car. They can't sing, which means they are unable to sing. Now let's make some questions with can. Can you speak English? Which means, are you able to speak English? Can he swim? Which means, does he know how to swim? Next, we will learn how to use could to talk about abilities. Could is used to talk about past ability, or in other words, to talk about abilities that you had in the past. For example, I could run really fast when I was young, which means I had the ability to run fast when I was young, but now I can't run as fast anymore. Bella could dance well before she had the accident, which means she was able to dance well in the past before she had the accident. Now let's make some negative sentences with could. I couldn't speak English before, but now I can. They couldn't come yesterday because they were busy. Alright, let's make some questions with could. Could you study for long hours when you were in school? Could he lift 100 kgs before he started working out? To talk about abilities or skills in the future, we have to use will be able to. Let's look at a few examples. I will be able to speak English after I complete this course. Jonah will be able to walk again after the surgery. The schools will be able to conduct classes by next month. Okay, and here are some negative sentences using will be able to. I won't be able to come tomorrow. She won't be able to see her grandma this weekend. They won't be able to celebrate their anniversary this year. And here are a few examples of will be able to in questions. Will you be able to come tomorrow? Will I be able to speak English after I complete this course? Will Jason be able to play again after the physical therapy? To conclude, remember, can is used to talk about present ability. Could is used to talk about past ability. For future ability, we use will be able to. I hope this lesson has been helpful. Keep watching English with Ruddy to learn English in a simple and easy way. Thank you for watching and bye for now.